another planet. But then my alarm did what it was meant to, and I couldn't see what happened next. So that got me thinking, what if the world is ending? Earth is no longer safe, and our only option was to leave. Could we? Humans have always been explorers. We've crossed oceans, climbed mountains, and even stepped foot on the moon. Now, scientists are working on a next giant leap, colonizing another planet. Among all the planets in our solar system, Mars is considered to be the most suitable planet, which may sound a bit weird because why not Venus, the planet known as Earth's twin? Venus is known as Earth's twin because of its similar size, mass, and composition. But actually living on Venus would be a nightmare. Number one, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. It has a very toxic atmosphere, no water, and its atmospheric pressure is about 90 times that of Earth. A human would be crushed instantly. Organizations like NASA and companies like SpaceX are already working towards sending humans to Mars in the coming decade. At first glance, Mars seems almost welcoming. A day on Mars is just a bit shorter than a day on Earth. It's pretty close to us and it has frozen water beneath its surface. But don't be fooled. Living on Mars would be a survival challenge. The first major problem is radiation. On Earth, we are protected by a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. Mars has neither, which means that a person living there would be exposed to harmful cosmic radiation every single day. This radiation can damage human cells and increase risks of diseases like cancer. The second problem is atmosphere. Mars' atmosphere is really thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and mostly made of carbon dioxide. We wouldn't be able to breathe. The next is gravity. Mars' gravity is only about 38% of Earth's gravity, which may sound fun at first, but over time it can weaken bones and muscles, and we'll feel way older than we actually are. So does that mean living on Mars is impossible? Not exactly. Scientists are already working on solutions. One idea is to build underground habitats where they use the Martian soil as natural protection against radiation. Another is to create sealed domes where humans can grow plants, produce oxygen, and recycle water. Some scientists have even proposed something more ambitious, terraforming, which is slowly transforming the Martian environment to make it more like Earth. So, could humans survive on another planet? The answer is yes, but not easily. It would take advanced technology, years of preparation, and the courage to live in one of the most hostile environments imaginable. If Earth is like a comfortable home, Mars would be like a survival camp. But all great human achievements once seemed impossible. Flying across the world, walking on the moon, and even the technology we use today, none of it existed just a few generations ago. Maybe someday, children will look up at the sky, see the blue dot that is Earth, and call it the place their ancestors once lived. Thank you.